Hey guys, what's going on today? I'm gonna create a door ornament with some foam. Getting back to that a little bit. Just had like a little piece left. We're gonna create it using just our X-Acto knife, some paint, and we're gonna use magnets so we can hang it on the door. Hope you enjoy. We got them all traced out and everything. Now it's time to paint. Alright guys, so that's our finished product. There's our ghost all done. We use magnets and hot glue so it can hold to the door. We spray painted it black and used color to make it glow in the eyes and the mouth. I'll get ready to turn the lights off and show everybody. Hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks and have a great day.